Hey everyone, I'm Piper. Today we're diving into the world of garden gold, otherwise known as mulch. Whether you've got a normal plot, raised beds, or pots, I'll show you exactly what to use and when. First, why bother? Mulch isn't just for looks. It's a moisture-saving, weed-blocking, soil-protecting powerhouse for your garden. By keeping the soil cool and damp, you're creating the perfect environment for roots to thrive, even in the heat of summer. Let's start with the classic: wood chips and shredded bark. These are perfect for your normal garden beds and walkways. They're excellent for perennial plants, trees, and shrubs because they break down slowly, providing long-term soil structure. Just remember, deeper is better. Aim for a 2 to 3 inch layer to really stop those weeds in their tracks. Next up is straw. This is the gold standard for vegetable gardens and raised beds. Straw reflects light and keeps soil temperatures even, which heat-loving veggies like tomatoes and peppers absolutely love. It also keeps your fruit, like strawberries or low-hanging squash, off the dirt, reducing rot and pests. For my acid-loving friends, let's talk pine needles. These are a fantastic lightweight option. Blueberries, azaleas, and hydrangeas thrive here as the needles slightly acidify the soil as they decompose. Now, for raised beds, consider using compost as your mulch. It's the double whammy of mulching. It suppresses weeds and retains moisture, but it also feeds your plants every time it rains. I often layer a bit of straw over the compost to keep the nutrients locked in and the soil biology active. Don't forget your pots. Containers dry out fast, so mulching here is critical for survival. Shredded cedar or cocoa coir work beautifully, keeping the roots cool and the water where it belongs. Even decorative stones can act as a mulch for succulents and slow-growing indoor plants. So when is the best time to mulch? Timing is everything for a healthy garden. Early spring is best, but wait until the soil has warmed up. Mulching too early can trap the winter cold in the ground. A fall application is also great to insulate roots against the deep freeze and prevent soil erosion. Check your mulch levels twice a year. If it's looking thin, just add a fresh inch on top to keep the benefits flowing. Here's a quick summary to help you choose the right match for your garden beds and pots. Take a screenshot. With the right mulch, your garden will be more productive, easier to maintain, and much happier. Mulching really is the secret sauce to a great garden. Happy planting, and remember, keep it simple, silly.
If you're looking for more information, step-by-step guides, or simple DIY projects you can actually finish, you can find it all at Imagine That DIY on our website and social channels. If you'd like a fun break from the projects, be sure to check out our sister channel, The Barnyard Frequency. If you'd like to support what we're building, it's completely optional but always appreciated. All the links for Imagine That DIY, The Barnyard Frequency, and support are on the screen below. And remember, keep it simple, silly.